Hi everyone, welcome to week 9, module 9, and this week is on invasive and endemic species. So here we see the screencast overview. Next, you'll see the learning outcomes. Following that, the required readings and videos. And then you have 2 assignments that are related to posters. So you're going to create a non-native poster, and because this is for invasive species, it'll be a not wanted poster. And then the next poster is an endemic species one, and that is for native species, so that you will be creating a wanted poster. Following that, you have your module reflection and then your Zoom meeting reflection. So let's go ahead and dive into the learning outcomes a little bit more. We're going to talk about 3 to 5 invasive and endemic species to the Sonoran Desert, discuss some of these threats or issues, whether human or natural, relating to plants and animals in our state, and then discuss why they are problematic. We're also going to discuss and consider what the Sonoran Desert may look like in the future, as well as considering the natural and quote, quote, unnatural changes that might occur through time, which then impact how our state will look and be in the future. So the required readings and videos are here. You're given some websites to review. This is really interesting because you can merge the content of this module with your volunteer actions. So for example, here on the Desert Defenders, that is actually a place where we can volunteer as master naturalists, but at the same time learn about invasive plants. Next, you're going to see some readings from the book, Natural History of the Sonoran Desert. And then remember, there's some videos here that you're going to watch. So buffalo grass is a big one here. A lot of opportunities to help to combat that invasive species. And then there's some additional resources down there. So lots to explore. And then here's your assignment for the non-native species. So the invasive species is an unwanted poster, and here's an example of that. And remember, these are the things you must include in your poster. In particular, we want to think about what is the native location, but then what areas are they invading? And then considering the damage they cause, including photos, how to manage and control. And then here's the rubric for that poster. Next is your wanted poster, and because these are endemic species, these are ones that we want in our environment. Again, these are all the things you should be including in the poster. Here's your rubric. Following that, you have your modular reflection, which follows a similar format to the other ones. Number 1 is your key understanding, your burning questions or muddiest points, connection or application. Again, here's the rubric. And then we end module 9 with your Zoom meeting reflection, and you finish the sentence stem. My favorite part of the class was. And that's it for module 9.